10 Best Affiliate Programs to Earn Excellent Commissions in 2022. If you're running a travel-related YouTube channel or website and looking for the best travel affiliate programs to make more money in 2022 and beyond, this video is for you. Before we jump into the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel to learn more about travel. We all know that the travel industry has suffered and continues to suffer as a result of COVID-19. But you should be surprised to learn that individuals have earned thousands of dollars via travel affiliate networks. As of today, every nation in the globe has reopened its borders, and travel is returning to normal. The potential for profit in the travel sector is immense right now. However, affiliate marketing is the most effective way to earn money online. The actual challenge, however, is locating the ideal travel affiliate product. As a result, we've prepared a list of legitimate travel affiliate websites. In addition, you will understand what, when, and how you get paid. So let's get into the video. Number 1. DiscoverCars.com. With this affiliate program, you may earn 70% of the vehicle rental profit and 30% of the full coverage income on each booking. You will not be paid a commission on canceled automobile rentals. You may receive payment by PayPal or wire transfer. In addition, you will be assigned a dedicated account manager with whom you may address any issues that arise. Number 2. Plum Guide Affiliate Program. If you want to make large commissions on your sales, Plum Guide is an excellent platform because the average commission rate is 50% of what Plum Guide gets on each fulfilled booking. You may also earn up to 80% commission if you become a VIP partner. This is one of the most competitive commission rates in the business. Number 3. Expedia.com. This is one of the biggest affiliate networks with access to over 500,000 hotels worldwide. The income you get from the Expedia affiliate program is entirely dependent on the sort of purchases you make, and it varies from 3% to 11% per transaction. However, you may withdraw your earnings on the 15th of each month after they exceed $50. Number 4. Travel Payouts. Do you know that since 2011, Travel Payouts affiliates have earned over $23 million? This is one of the largest travel affiliate programs providing every service a traveler would need, such as insurance, hotels, car rentals, flights, transfers, and so on. You might end up to 70% of their earnings. All affiliate commissions are paid from the 11th to the 20th of the following month, provided the minimum amount is met. That is, income attributed to you in January is paid out between February 11th and February 20th. Number 5. HotelsCombined is one of the largest hotel comparison services, with thousands of passengers worldwide using it to book their stay and paying high profits to affiliate marketers. You'll earn between 50 cents and $2 each lead you deliver to their website. Throughout, visitors who click on your referral links will be recorded for up to 365 days, allowing you to earn enormous profits from repeat visits all year. They typically processed all payments at the end of the month. Number 6. Agoda. Agoda is one of the most trusted travel communities in the world, with millions of individuals using it to locate affordable lodging such as hotels and resorts, as well as huge commission payments to affiliate marketers. Agoda will give you a 5% fee on each successful transaction, whether it can be a hotel booking or resort accommodation. That implies that each $200 booking at a 5% commission gives you $10 in affiliate earnings. Number 7. TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is perhaps the oldest participant in the list, and it is one of the most popular websites for travel and restaurant reservations in the world, with millions of users worldwide. TripAdvisor's regular affiliate commission is 50%, but you may earn up to 80% based on the transaction size and kind of product you advertise via your travel websites. Number 8. WeGo. WeGo provides a unique affiliate network to all travel bloggers and affiliate marketers that wish to make more money by marketing travel items via their huge affiliate network. You may earn 5 cents to 40 cents each flight exit click and 20 cents to 80 cents per hotel exit click as an affiliate with the WeGo affiliate network. So it's essentially a commission per click or CPC affiliate scheme that works really well for travel affiliates seeking for a CPC monetization strategy rather than a commission-based one. Number 9. Lonely Planet. It is the world's largest travel guide book publisher, publishing periodicals, travel guides, ebooks, and much more. It also enables you to organize your vacation trip with flights, hotels, and other services, and it pays out large commissions to all of its affiliate marketers. You'll be paid a 15% commission in both print and digital books. For travel guides, you will be paid 12%. Number 10. iVisa. This is a unique service that offers visas, pictures, and much more, all online, to help you get started on your journey. You may earn up to 35% of their earnings and you will be paid on the 15th of each month. However, bear in mind that the minimum subscription fee is $50. That concludes our list of the top 10 affiliate travel programs for earning online passive money. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family who are interested in earning an online passive income via travel blogging. I'll see you in the next.